Hello friends, welcome to SPSPM's Renuka High School, Satara Parisar, Aurangabad. Myself, Mahajan RB, Assistant Teacher of Subject English. Today we are going to learn topic name 1.3 Hope is the thing with feathers, English workshop of Standard 9. In this section, we are going to take a look at warming up, margin question, and English workshop. 1.3 Hope is the thing with feathers. Warming up, chit chat. Do you ever feel nervous? Yes, sometimes I feel nervous. Second, do you ever feel really depressed? Yes, I feel depressed. Question third, what makes you nervous or depressed? Answer, when something goes wrong or against my wish, I become nervous. Question 4, what do you hope for on these occasions? Answer, I hope that everything should go fine and nice. Question 5, have you hoped for something that you knew was difficult? Yes, a few times I hoped for the things to happen according to my wish, though I knew that they were really difficult. Question 6. What do you have to do to fulfill your hopes? To fulfill my hopes, I always have to talk to myself and remain positive to increase my confidence in tough situations. Margin question. Question. What would be the hope bird's food? Can it live on without that food? The hope bird's food would be crumb, a piece of bread. According to the poet, the hope bird can live without food even in extreme weather condition and unknown land. Match the following. Here a table is given, and in this table, in the column A, words are hope, gale or storm, keep warm, chilliest land, a crumb. And in column B, the words or phrases are difficulties and problems, toughest times in life, a very small bit, a nest in the tree, provide comfort, and last one is bird. Answers. Hope means bird in this poem. Gale or storm means difficulties and problems according to the poet. Keep warm means provide comfort. Chilliest land, toughest times in life. A crumb, a very small bit. Second, use the proper form of the verb in each line. Hope is the thing with feathers that perches in the soul and sings the tune without the words and never stops at all. Third, read the examples and fill the blanks in the same pattern. Example, sweet, sweeter, sweetest. And in the table, answers are given already. Fast, faster, fastest. Slow, slower, slowest. High, higher, highest. Low, lower, lowest. Great, greater, greatest. Warm, warmer, warmest. Bright, brighter, brightest. Cold, colder, coldest. B. Examples, strange, stranger, strangest. And in the table, answers are given here. Brave, braver, bravest. Fine, finer, finest. Simple, simpler, simplest. Large, larger, largest. Close, closer, closest. Wise, wiser, wisest. C. Examples, pretty, prettier, prettiest. Note the changes in the last letter. Nasty, nastier, nastiest. Hungry, hungrier, hungriest. Angry, angrier, angriest, naughty, naughtier, naughtiest. Find the phrases, lines in the poem that mean the following. A. And answers are given here. A. Hope is a light, delicate thing, and the line which means is hope is the thing with feathers. B. Hope offers comfort to your soul. Answer that preaches in the soul. C. Hope is not a worthy thought. It is more like a feeling and emotion. Answer and sings the tune without words. D. In the most difficult times. Answer times hope offers the greatest comfort. Answer and sweetest in the gale is heard. E. Hope is not easily defeated. Answer. And sore must be the storm that could abash the little bird. F. Hope has given comfort to many people. Answer. That kept so many warm. G. Hope lives on in very hard times, even when it gets nothing from you. Answer. I have heard it in the chillest land and on the strangest sea, yet never in extremity, if asked a crumb of me. Fifth, we can relate many of our feelings and experiences to events or things in nature. Which of our feelings or experiences can we relate to the following? Darkness, depression, sunrise, new beginnings, sunshine, hope, a rainbow, happiness, dark clouds, problems, a peacock, beauty, a storm, troubles, a light shower, little joy, earthquake, loss of ability, dawn, awakening, dusk, evening, means gloominess, flood, sorrow. 6. Write in a few lines about an experience of your own where you scored in your exams much more than you hoped for. What did that experience teach you? I was very ill before my term exam last year. I missed my study those days, but my basic knowledge and my consistency in my studies for last few years was good. This helped me to give exam after the long illness. I was confident about my marks and hoping to do well and get satisfactory marks. I got the second rank. This teaches us that we should face the troubles and difficult times with positively and should not bring negativity in our mind. We must help for the best and need to be positive till the end. This poem is an example of personification when we refer to inanimate objects, ideas, emotions as living things. It is an example of personification. Here, hope is portrayed as a little bird. Thank you. Next lecture, lecture 8, topic name 1.4, the story of tea. Thank you.